playing My Vegas Slots is a lot like taking a carousel ride, then Binions is a lot like riding a mechanical bull. There's a lot more ups and downs, and you'll probably be aching by the end of your session. But fear not, we have some tips to show you how to play Binions Casino App effectively. Alright, cowpokes, saddle up. The first thing you'll want to do when you get settled into Binions is get signed up for VIP points and signed into your Facebook. When you first start out, the game will ask you for your email address and for you to sign into your Facebook account. This helps you save your progress and doubles your opening stack of coins. You'll use these to gather precious silver hats. Gathering chips is pretty easy. Aside from the initial boon of 1 million or 2 chips you get from signing into your Facebook and joining the VIP club, Binions offers many opportunities to get free chips. Every hour you can click the blue bonus icon on the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Binions will ask you if you want to watch a video in exchange for some chips. You'll spend 30 to 60 seconds watching this video, then you'll be awarded with coins. The green bonus button in the right corner is a little more complicated. You are eligible to press this green button once every 2 hours. Depending on how many times you've pressed it in one day, it will trigger a different event. Event 1. Binion's Question of the Day. The first time you press the green bonus button, you will trigger Binion's Question of the Day. The questions range from the rules of gambling, Vegas history, hotel and casino trivia, and all things Las Vegas. Get the question right for a bigger coin bonus. You'll get free bonus coins no matter what, but the amount will be reduced by as much as 30%. So it literally pays to be right. Luckily, the game isn't timed. If you feel strongly about it, you can close the Binions game, Google the answer, then pick back up where you left off with no penalty. Event 2. Bonus Spin. The bonus spin is exactly what it sounds like. It's like the My Vegas Slots daily bonus wheel. You press it, and you are rewarded a set amount of chips as a bonus. Enough said. Event 3. Silver Hats. This one is my favorite. You can collect silver hats by clicking the bonus button for the 3rd time in a day. So assuming you're up early for work at 8, you'll have your hats around 2 p.m., after lunch and before you go home. At the lower levels you get 10 hats, though apparently at higher levels you can get as many as 20. If you were to play for a month like this, you can get 300 hats passively without playing a single hand of video poker. It wouldn't be worth much more than a deck of playing cards, but it's something to keep in mind. Event 4 and Beyond. 2 hours after you get your free hats.
Free hat?
No, not those hats, silver hats. Anyway, after you get your free silver hats, your bonus button will only offer a bonus of chips. It will be the same as the blue button bonus, so every hour you can collect a blue button bonus, and every other hour you can collect a green bonus and a blue bonus. Meaning on the lower levels you're offered over 1 million Binions coins a day for free. So you can play a little bit every day or wait until the weekend and play uninterrupted. You have 2 options for a game. You can either play Binions Slots or play in the Binions Poker Room. Binions Slots are exactly what they sound like, standard casino slots. There's no strategy to the Binions Slots. Bet what you can afford, keep it low the first 5 levels or so, and level 5 or 6 jump up to about 50k. Level 10, go up to 100k, so on and so forth. The games will also offer trophies and achievements. These are largely arbitrary and won't be worth going out of your way to achieve, the only exception being Benny Bucks achievements. Benny Bucks are virtual dollars you can earn that give you credit to purchase chip packages without spending your own money. So it's really just another way to get free chips and keep the slot spinning long enough to earn hats. Binions Poker Room offers nearly a dozen video poker choices. Simple wild twos, jacks are better, bonus jacks are better, so on and so forth. Each of them pays and plays according to traditional video poker strategy. The payback percentages are technically better on video poker, and VP has the benefit of being more controllable. So if you're lower on coins, you'll get longer sessions out of video poker than you would slots. You can also employ betting strategies to increase your winnings and draw out your game to the limit. You can only earn so many hats in a day. Eventually your optimal bet will barely put a dent in your hat meter and then eventually stop. I found this is usually around 100 hats or so a day, not including the free bonus hats from the bonus button. You can continue to play, but depending on the game you're playing, you'd be better off saving your chips until tomorrow's session. The requirements loosen up a bit after you watch a video, but I generally stop actively playing altogether until I get my free hats again the next day. 50 to 100 hands of video poker or slots a day generally seems to do the job, depending on your bet. It isn't the earner that classic My Vegas Slots or My Vegas Blackjack is, but it's a nice supplement to an already paid for vacation. As for redeeming rewards, there are a few limits. Technically, management has the right to deny any reward it wants, but there's no formal limit on how many rewards you can redeem in a single visit, or even back-to-back. If you have the hats, they've got your back. So take these tips and tricks and enjoy Binions Casino. Next time we'll put in some work on win slots in my Konami. Stick around and stay tuned.